Hey guys, hope you guys are doing perfectly fine. This is the Traveler Guy. I'm back with another video, and today I'll be doing an unboxing and review of, may I have the drum roll please, of OnePlus 60. So without being further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so first of all, this is the retail package I have bought, and this is the outer cover, OnePlus branding here over it, and number and the model number and RAM and everything. So now this is the box, and outside the box there is a price and net quantity, what the things inside it, manufactured by whom, manufactured by Oppo Mobiles India Private Limited. So it is manufactured in India because I am from India, and consumer care and everything, model number, color. And now this is the community, OnePlus community, a collection of individuals possessed of a tremendous understanding and superior taste in the finest technology. What's most important is that they are a part of what we do, and that includes you. And after that, again the model number and everything here, Qualcomm Snapdragon, that we already know. So let's open the package up. I like this thing. It comes like slowly, comes like this. Okay, so here's the package, here's the phone, and now let me keep this thing aside for a moment. And what's it? So this is the invitation letter, and this is the dash charger in the phone, dash charger, the cable, and this thing, USB-C type to 3.5mm jack. And we know why this thing is here, right? So an invitation letter. So this is the welcome card they have provided, and it says that welcome to the community and everything from Pete Lau. So now let's get to the phone. Okay, here it is. So this is the phone. Let me do a quick comparison, and let me tell you, and let me tell you what are the hardware improvements we got from OnePlus 6 to. In OnePlus 6, you can see there was a fingerprint scanner here in the background, but in this thing we don't have it because we have it here. So if we'll check in the front, in OnePlus 6 we'll have a bigger notch here, and in this one we have a water drop notch. And they also say that chin is also a little slimmer here if we compare it to OnePlus 6. And if we come down here, there is no headphone jack. In OnePlus 6 there is a headphone jack, but in this one there is no headphone jack. And cameras are same, nothing changed. This camera is same, nothing changed. And this is the earpiece here. This is the earpiece here. This is the earpiece here, and same old school, old school button to make your phone silent and everything. And this is the power button, and on this side this is the volume rocker. So let me tell you about the build quality first. Phone. And one more thing, this thing has a 3700 mAh battery in it. And now let me show you what's inside. Okay, so inside there is a cover, and there will be a SIM ejector pin in it for sure. Okay, so this is the SIM ejector pin we will need. And so by the way, I'm upgrading from OnePlus 1 to OnePlus 60. You can see the huge difference between all those years and everything. So I'll configure everything in it, the camera recognition, the in-screen fingerprint scanner, and all the other things, my account and everything. Then I'll get back to you. Till then, you guys can read the specifications. So there is no IP4 rating for this particular phone, but the companies say that this is a waterproof phone. And the thing is, they don't want to spend a lot of money and make the phone more costly for us guys, for the users. So that's why they make the phone waterproof, but there's no IP4 rating because they don't want to spend the money. Yeah, so right now let me quickly unlock it with a face. Okay, so it's right now it's taking my face, and you can see how it's opening, Okay, so it stuck for a minute there because my phone was like this, and my phone was not in the front of my face, so that's why. And now it will not. Okay, I will do a little gesture like this, and it is not fast as the rear fingerprint scanner they have, but it is fast. Okay, so this time it has this time it took my my face like this, and now if the camera is away, I will take the fingerprint. Fair enough. At night, I didn't use the face recognition at night yet, but they say that at night the phone camera will not able to recognize your face, so in that time my fingerprint will work. So first of all, I'll do a camera test for this particular phone, and I'll share some screenshots of front camera and rear camera, and after that I'll use this phone for you can say 1 week. I'll test all the functions of the phone, and then I'll give a full review. And for that review, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload that video, you'll get a notification. So for now, I'll do a test and I'll get back to you.